Hello you guys! Hello again! Welcome in to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. Today we're going to do wood brown chicks. How cool is that, right? How cute is this? Come on you guys, these are adorable. So Easter's coming up right around the corner. How cute would it be to have these on your little table for Easter? Super cute, you guys. I'm going to show you how I put mine together. There will be a complete supply list at the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the things. Even drop me a comment and say hi. Let me know you were watching. Alright, so I know you were out there. Okay, you guys, let's get started. We're going to start with getting our pieces painted. So this is going to be the body of our chick. This is going to be his base. He's going to sit right here. So I want to go ahead, we want to paint this yellow. We're going to use a school bus yellow. And I want to go really light because I kind of still want to see the rings on our wood here. So we're just going to take our paintbrush and kind of do really kind of light painting on it. But I do want to go all the way to the edge. We still kind of, like I said, if we can get away with seeing some of the rings, I'm okay with that. Paint boogers in there. There we go. See, so you still can kind of see a little bit. That's okay. That's our body for our chick. Now the base we're going to leave alone. We're just going to leave that. And he's got two little feet, and we're going to paint those orange. I have Canyon orange, my go-to orange that I normally do, and I already have a couple that have already been painted, so we're just going to grab those. Now, for assembly portion of this project, we're just going to stick our feet on our little base. We want these parts here to be kind of towards the back or the middle because we want to be able to place our round on top of them. So we want to glue like so. Normally I would use my tacky glue. Today I just decided it seemed like a hot glue gun kind of day. So we've got those. See how they're kind of towards the middle of our project? Middle of the base there. Now, I'm going to figure out, I want the pointy part to be the top of his head there. A decent amount of glue on there. And the object is to put him on the feet. I'm going to set him on his feet. And I'm going to kind of put some more glue back here. Build it up a little bit. Okay, so now we've got our little guy with his feet. Cute. Now, let's go ahead, we're going to give him some hair. So we're going to just take, I got these feathers, they were around Thanksgiving time at the Hobby Lobby, but they might be in the craft section too. There's 12 assorted colors. I just grabbed, I only need one. So we grabbed one out of this package here, and we're just going to cut, I probably want, on the top of his head, I probably want about an inch. Is what I'm estimating here. And we're just going to cut the feathers right about an inch down. because we don't want to stick the whole thing on his head. Just want parts of it. And I actually, I'm thinking one feather might actually be too much. I probably don't need this whole feather. But we can make multiple. And I kind of want that fuzz in the bottom, but that's fine. So we're going to kind of rough up your feathers. You want them to be kind of scraggly and funky. Or, you could leave them. Totally up to you. I'm going to cut mine a little bit. They're kind of long. I want them kind of wild and crazy, because these are going to be the top of his head. It's going to be kind of like his hair. Pick it up. I'm going to group some of them together. The top one. So I just kind of grouped a small batch of them together. And they're just going to go here on the top of his head. So. So we probably used about half the feathers, and we just plop them up there on top of his head. And you can, I want them to set up a little bit more, and then I'll kind of ruffle them up a little bit. Now, a couple options. For his wings, you can use the extra feathers if you want. I was kind of thinking on using felt, and so I think I'm just going to do felt for his wings. And I kind of just do elongated dewdrops. So let's see about how long I want my wings to be. And I kind of just freehand this. Like so. I kind of like that. So once I get a shape that I like, just a second one. It's pretty easy, just set it on top of the next felt here, and then just kind of cut around it. Pretty easy to duplicate felt. Alright, so now he's got his little wings and his feathers on top. So let's go ahead now, let's give him a little bit of a face. We're just going to take, this is stiff felt, an orange. I already had this cut, kind of, from a previous project. We're just going to cut a triangle, and that's going to be his little mouth. Like so. Then we're just going to take our Posca paint pens, because we love these Posca paint pens. Or you could use a marker. A marker would work for this too. And you can make his eyes as big or as small as you want. You can give him little eyebrows, you know, totally whatever you want to do with him. His finishing little touch, I want to put a bow right at the top of his head. Thinking, I wanted to go ahead, I was going to do a ribbon. I've got all these ribbons, but I kind of changed my mind a little bit. I'm going to go with, let's see what it looks like with just some twine. Got some twine available. I plan on doing a bunch of these, so I'll probably just do a bunch of different bows. And this one is just going to end up with a little twine bow on the top of his head. Super fun and cute. We have a little chick. And you could totally decorate him up the way you totally want to do it. Alright. We're all set with this craft project. You have a whole bunch of fun with yours. And let me know how you did. If you changed up anything, let me know. I'm kind of curious in the comments. So keep on coming back to Purple Penguin Craft Room. Happy crafting.